video is meant for South Indian Bank candidates because people are asking, sir, your classes for Federal Bank is different from this. How should I manage? It is no way different from that, but the topic only is different for you. So you try to understand the topic and be ready for talking for 2 minutes on that topic. And then when you address, you should address the group with happy voice and talk to them. Hello, friends. My name is so and so. The topic given to us is this, and this is how, these are my points. You will tell like that, and you will stop after 40 seconds or 50 seconds. Then next person will start. Invariably, topics will be like this. You may have to support the topic or oppose the topic. So whatever way it is, you take one stand for that and go about addressing this question. For example, the role of government in regulating use of technology and internet. Supposing such a question is asked, what can we tell about it? We should tell that government should be able to exercise strict control on the internet providers, and the proper control should be there that the contents which are not reachable for children, they should not go. Like that, there should be restrictions. So, and government has to take sufficient measures for this. However, it is a very difficult job. So like that, you can speak. Supposing you have a doubt what you can do, you can go to Chat GPT or Perplexity and you go and put this question onto the screen. It will be able to give you some points on that. Let us see. I am testing that now. Let us see whether it can give us some points on this. Like this, you can search for each and every topic and try to get some ideas. Not that that is the correct one, but from that you will be able to make sentences. For example, what I am going to share to you is that one, that is perplexity material now for this particular question. So this is what it is. So once we start reading this, Manoga is there. Manoga, can you
Yes, sir.
read? Sorry, 1 minute. Manoga, can you read this?
Okay, sir. The Indian government plays a central role in regulating the use of technology and the internet, focusing on digital security, privacy, innovation, and inclusion. Key responsibilities include policy formulation, enforcement of cybersecurity standards, protection of personal data, and fostering digital growth while ensuring national interest and public safety. Policy and regulation. The government formulates national policies such as the National Telecom Policy 2025, which sets the vision for digital infrastructure, cybersecurity, and the adoption of emerging technologies like AI and 5G. The Digital Personal Data Protection Rules 2025 provide a comprehensive framework for data privacy, mandating consent-driven data collection, breach reporting, and the establishment of Data Protection Board of Oversight. The proposed Digital India Act 2025 is set to replace the IT Act 2000, aiming to regulate the entire technology ecosystem, including social media, digital platforms, and online content. Cybersecurity and safety. The government enforces strict cybersecurity frameworks for telecom and internet service providers, requiring incident reporting, threat intelligence sharing, and regular audits to protect networks and users. Regulations mandate blocking of rogue IPs, URLs, and applications, and require telecom operators to implement minimum cybersecurity controls based on global standards. Initiatives like the preloading of government security apps on smartphones and regular cyber drills aim to enhance public safety and resilience. Internet,
Resilience,
yes.
resilience means trying again and again, not giving up.
Okay,
Continue.
okay,
So for GED, most important thing is your vocabulary should be good. You must
okay.
improve your vocabulary so that you understand and then speak. Manoha,
Oh,
continue.
Internet governance and inclusion. India supports a multi-stakeholder approach to internet governance, involving government, industry, academia, and civil society while retaining sovereign control over critical issues like national security and content regulation. The government promotes digital inclusion through programs like BharatNet and Digital India, aiming to bridge the digital divide and ensure equitable access to technology. Public consultations and roundtables are organized to involve all stakeholders in shaping internet governance policies. Oversight and compliance. The government monitors and enforces compliance with regulations through agencies like TROI and the Data Protection Board, conducting audits and imposing penalties for violations. Business and digital platforms must adhere to due diligence obligations, including reporting of synthetic content like deepfakes, AI generated misinformation, and are subjected to regular compliance audits. Overall, the Indian government's role is to balance innovation and growth with robust regulation, ensuring a safe, secure, and inclusive digital environment for all citizens.
Very good. So that is the topic for this. This is an old topic. This was asked about 1 or 2 years ago. Now, let me give you a common topic that is being asked in South Indian Bank in the recent days. One, regarding merger of banks, plus and minus uh, for group discussion. I am asking like that. Let us see what it is going to give us. This is what it is giving us. So, Manohar, you can read this content. Please read.
Okay, sir. The merger of banks in India is a major topic for group discussion, with strong arguments on both sides. Below are key points highlighting the plus and minus of bank mergers, suitable for balanced group discussion. Plus points means advantages. Stronger balance sheets. Measures help consolidate weaker banks with stronger ones, improving capital adequacy and reducing non-performing assets. Operational efficiency. Larger banks can achieve economies of scale, reducing operational costs and streamlining process. Improved lending capacity. Merged banks have greater resource to lend, supporting economic growth and priority sectors. Enhanced financial stability. Consolidation helps banks absorb financial shocks better and meet regulatory requirements like Basel III norms. Larger customer base. Merger expand the reach of banks, bringing more customers under one umbrella and increasing market share. Better technology integration. Common core banking solution platforms allow for
1 minute.
okay, okay, sir.
Uh,
For,
Common, yeah,
for seamless technological integration and improved service delivery.
1 minute. Wait,
Global
wait,
comp
wait, wait.
okay, okay.
Now read.
Global competitiveness. Larger banks can compete more effectively in the global market and offer a wide range of products. Minus points. Job losses. Merger often lead to staff rationalization, resulting in job losses and employee unrest. Integration challenges. Merging different systems, process, and work cultures can be complex and time consuming. Reduced competition. Fewer banks mean less competition, which can lead to higher costs and reduced innovation for customers.
Mm. Regional
Uh, re-
disparity.
Regional disparities. Measures may neglect regional needs as larger banks focus on urban centers potentially reducing access in rural areas. Governance issues. Larger banks can become too big to fail, increasing systemic risks and making governance more complex. Customer dissatisfaction. Transition periods can cause confusion, delays, and service disruptions for customers. Loss of decentralization. Measures may undermine the concept of decentralization with fewer banks catering to diverse regional requirements. Conclusion for group discussion. Bank merger offers significant advantages in terms of financial stability, efficiency, and global competitiveness, but they also pose challenges related to job losses, integration, and reduced competition. A balanced approach is needed to maximize benefits while minimizing adverse impacts on employees, customers, and regional banking needs.
So this is what it is, Manogar.
Yes, sir.
See, in a group discussion, we
Yes,
will not have time to speak all this. It
sir.
is sufficient you cover 25% of these points in your discussion. I would
Okay.
always suggest you talk in favor of mergers or against mergers. And the
Okay.
second time, third time, when you are talking, you
Sir.
oppose the other point. For example, initially you are supporting mergers. Then when you are talking second, third time, you should oppose the other view. That is how you have to manage for this question. Now I will give you one more topic that is being asked frequently nowadays in South
Sir,
Indian Bank. Yes, please.
first I am opposing. If I first I opposing,
Uh,
later can I go to balanced approach?
no question of balanced approach.
No, no,
Next
no.
will be,
Okay,
first you are opposing, then you should tell points which are against supporting it.
okay, okay.
For example, say early marriage. Marriage
Okay.
age should be reduced to 14. Marriage
Mm,
age should be reduced to 14 because children are becoming matured very early nowadays. Supposing I give a topic, nobody will give this topic, don't worry. And
okay.
supposing they give a topic like this, I can talk in favor of yes, we can reduce the marriageable age to 14. That is one. Second, third round, when I talk, so what I was doing, I was supporting this one. Second round, when I talk, I should oppose that. No, the marriage age should not be reduced to 14. It's very wrong. Children don't understand clearly. Like that, I should oppose that only. Only this way, that way. But you are always with one point. Very rarely, if you are not getting sufficient points for both the things, then you can take a middle order approach. Whatever it is, you should speak in correct English. Could you follow? Now, I am giving last topic for today. That topic is Sivakumar. Can you remember any other famous topic they are asking recently?
Indian population, sir.
Yeah. Indian population
Sir,
level,
and
is
hello.
it a boon or bane? Group discussion. This is an excellent topic. If you prepare on this, then you will be able to manage any other topic also.
Sir, and also they will asking the Viksit Bharat 2047. Sir. Also.
Acha. Okay, that you search and get it. Now please read this. India's large population. Are you seeing on
Yes,
the
sir.
screen?
Me, Sivakumar.
Who is there, Mr. No, only Manogar is there.
Sivakumar, Shiva also there.
Shiva is there. Acha, anybody else
Uh,
come by name Shiva? Acha,
Sir,
Shiva.
Tyagarajan
Shivashakti,
Shiva.
Shivashakti
Shivashakti
Manivan.
Manikantan. Yeah.
Shiva Sakti Manikandan, can you read this?
Yeah, sir.
Please read.
Indian population level, is it a boon or ban? Group discussions. India's largest population is a topic of intense debate with arguments on both sides. In a group discussion, the key is it present balanced viewpoints on whether the population level is boon or a ban for the country. First of all, I point
No,
out the boon.
I will not recommend balanced one. I would like you to talk in favor of advantages
Okay.
or disadvantages. First, if you talk in favor of advantages, point, okay. Next time when you talk two or second, third time, you talk about disadvantages. Could you follow? Now read.
Yeah, okay. First, I point out the boon. Uh, Demographic dividend. India has a young and working age population, which can drive economic growth, innovation, and entrepreneurship if properly educated and employed. Second point, large labor force. A vast population means a large workforce, making India
No,
attractive
it is
for
not waste, vast.
vast. A vast population means a large workforce, making India attractive for global investments and manufacturing. Third point, consumer market. India's population creates a huge domestic market for goods and services, boosting demand and supporting business growth. Fourth point, cultural diversity. Population diversity fosters innovation, creativity, and resilience in society. And disadvantages, resource strain. Rapid population growth puts immense pressure on land, water, healthcare, education, and infrastructure, leading to shortage and poor service quality. Second point, unemployment and underemployment. Under re-employment, the country struggles to create enough jobs, resulting in high unemployment and under re-employment, especially among youth. Environmental degradation. Overpopulation contributes to pollution, deforestation, and the loss of biodiversity. Uh, Next point, low standard for living. Despite economic growth, per capita income and living standards remain low due to large population. Next point, social challenges. Inade- Inadequate housing, healthcare, and education affect the quality of life and social stability. Final conclusion, balanced conclusion. India's
No,
population
no,
can be
I won't support this. This is not required. Either
okay.
this or this you speak, that is sufficient.
Okay,
So
okay.
how you have to manage this. Thank you very much, candidates. I called for this class because Kolipara, that candidate wanted some guidance. So I called and he has not come, doesn't matter. Now that it is recorded and posted, he can see that. Similarly, other new candidates who are joining for our South Indian Bank or Federal Bank in GDs, you can watch this and try to understand how you can present the views. And now to make it clear, I have given South Indian Bank topics also under the Federal Bank GD questions. I will change the title of that file so that there won't be any confusion. Best wishes. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir.